So I have a jewel tip for you. So you're probably wondering, ask, believe, receive. How exactly do I go about that? Well, first of all, I definitely want to make sure to encourage you to just take your time. Go for a walk, be by yourself, make sure you're journaling and just sit with it. Specifically like if you know that there's something in your life, again, whether it's a relationship or your job or just something, even if you just want better health, just sit with that and ask for it. So, for instance, when I was working on this course, and if you know me, you know how sparkly everything is to me. And it's like, I want to do this and I want to do that. And I'm going to do this and we'll go here and we'll go there. And then the next thing you know, I'm not doing anything because I'm so incredibly overwhelmed. So just think about that one little thing. So if it's your health, you want better health, you want to you want to feel better, you want to have energy, then sit with that and ask for it. I want better energy. I want to feel stronger. I want to be able to walk to the corner and not be out of breath. It can be something so simple like that. Or I really want a better, loving relationship. Just think about what it is that you want. Go and sit in that happy place. For me, it's the ocean. So I'll just go and sit and be with Mama, Mama Ocean and all of the treasures, and I'll just talk to her. So wherever that is for you, go and do that, okay? So that's my little jewel tip.